Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create that world of transformations with Domo AI. And right now, we're inside the application itself. It's gonna be Domo AI that app, the link, and then this should be the landing page you should be seeing on your end. So these are the sample showcases for other creators. As you can see, it's much like with Journey with the quality. And the best thing about this one is still on the free beta phase, where you can pay for the subscription later on. I'm gonna suggest or let you know about the surprises at the end of the video, okay? And right now, let's start. The first thing I want you to do is, of course, click on this button, Start on Discord, or on this top right section, Start on Discord. Basically, they're the same. So once you click Start on Discord, you'll arrive on the Discord app. It will open up. It should look like this. Let me just open it. So basically, it should look like this one right here. And right now, as you can see, I'm currently trying it out. So this is inside Domo AI. I am inside the generation channel. Make sure you're inside here. So to further work this out, we're gonna break it down to a few features. First things first, we're gonna try the very first one that I tried, video to video. Next thing is text to or anime image to real person image, or rather image to image. And of course, we're gonna try the most basic one, text to image generation. So for this one, let's try generate video with this one right here and make sure we're inside this one. So as you can see right there, this image has been turned into an anime. This video has been turned into a video. Let's try and check some of the examples here. As you can see right there, this is an animated version of that video. So let's try it out. So the first thing we want to do right now is, of course, type video. Upload your video as a sample we got from the internet. Let me just plug it in. I got it from the Pixel Bay, by the way. It's a free, royalty free video website. So with this one, for the prompt, I suggest make it as close as to the video. So a man and a woman dancing. Basically, that's it. Click on enter. And now let the wait begin, rather. So this will take around 10 to 15 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. But before it will properly go to the generation process, we're gonna choose a specific style. So on this Domo AI, it has 5 style in total, 3 for anime, 2 for illustration. So for anime, they have flat color Japanese anime, live anime, and for illustration, they have 3D cartoon and comic. So for this one, I'm gonna go with Japanese anime style, and then I'm gonna click refer to source video more. Because if you choose refer to the prompt more, it will refer to the prompt itself. So upon checking and trial, I find out that the best result come from refer to video more. And I'm gonna go with 3 seconds here to make the generation as fast as I can. Because I think 10 seconds will take 40 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. So for 30 seconds right there, click on start, and let's wait for it to finish. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. This is gonna be our generated video, and as you can see, without even playing it, you'll see the details of how powerful this Domo AI is, because it just turned a video into an anime. So basically, it's a video to video. Actually, this is my first time checking this out. I'm used to image, text to image, but never have I seen this one. So let's try playing the first one, the output. As you can see right there, it's not that perfect, but you cannot say that it's not good, right? So let's play the sample now. Let me just click this one. Now, as you can see right there, I'm going to stop it exactly at the 3-second mark because the output video is 3 seconds. You'll see the dress is copied, the hand placement, even the background is there, the lamp, the curtains, even that vase and couch. Even that small detail on the plant, right? Now, basically, that's pretty powerful if you can ask me. So I suggest, or I urge you to try the different styles earlier. We have the different anime illustrations, okay? And by the way, this video generation took around 20 minutes itself. So I just saw another generation to just finish. I think this is gonna be illustration. So let's try this one right here. It's from another creator. I'm gonna play this one, the original video first. So as you can see right there, it's a girl doing an interview basically. And I'm gonna try out the output. So basically, it's perfectly the same. Not really 100% perfect, but it's very minimal error, right? Anyway, that is illustration for you guys, so I don't have to generate another one. and take so much of your time. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. So the next one will be text or rather image to image. Basically, if you're familiar with anime, let me just open my sample photo. This one right here. If you're familiar with Goku, it's an anime, right? This one right here. So I'm gonna make this one in a real life person. You heard me right. How powerful is that, right? So make sure you generate right now. And then from here, the command is real. Click on space, upload that photo. Let me just look for the anime Goku. Easy as that. So I'm gonna click on enter. And I'll wait for it to finish. Now this will take around 5 to 10 minutes or so. Not much longer as the video. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. This is gonna be the output. As you can see right there, this is the original photo and this is the real one. Let me just enlarge it. As you can see, Goku just turned to a person. Now I'm not saying it's literally the same as Goku, but I'm gonna highlight or rather the outline. You'll see the face is not overlapping the hair, everything is here in comparison with the original. The hair, the placement of the face is there, even the color of the clothes. Now that being said, this is how you turn your anime image into real image. Now let's try a different one. How about let's go to the basic one, image generation. Let's see how powerful the image generation on Domo AI. So for this one, type in gen, turn words into art or rather text to image. And for this one, I'm gonna go with a dog walking in a park. Easy as that. Pretty simple, pretty generic prompt. I'm gonna click on enter now. Now this will take around 5 to 6 minutes or so because it's pretty simple, not much like the video earlier. So I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. This is gonna be our image now, text to image basically. So a dog walking in a park has given us 3 samples. The first one is pretty good, but if you're gonna ask me, I'm gonna go with the second one, much better. We had the shadows right there, the kind of dog it is. Pretty sure this is good. So just like Midjourney, it has those upscale option. There's also a variation option, and basically with this one, if you click the upscale, for example, upscale 4, you'll have that specific for photo upscale. Easy as that. Now while waiting for it to upscale, let's try the last feature I want to show you guys, the animation photo. So with this one, much like Midjourney, type in animate, upload the photo. Use this photo that I got from the internet. It's a car basically. And then for the prompt, I'm gonna click on motion prompt. So for this one, I'm gonna type in a red car moving, or rather let's just say I'm gonna go for moving. Easy as that. And then I saw one more, click one more right there, the intensity. So for this one, I'm gonna click high because I want that high intensity movements. So with that being said, simply click on enter. Now I have 2, or rather this is the upscaled, we don't have to wait for it. And this is gonna be the model we got from the text generation. How awesome is that, right? You can also vary it, much like Midjourney, this option right here. It's gonna give you other samples. So that being said, let's just wait for the motion for the car to finish. And then we're gonna check the prices. So please stay at the end of the video, okay? I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. This is gonna be our new video now from the image we got. So the image earlier has been animated, so let me just play it for now. As you can see right there, it's not technically moving, but it has been animated, especially the wheels, it's moving, right? And the background itself, it's moving, so it gives us that illusion that it's currently moving. And with that being said, there are options here if you want to lower the intensity, medium intensity, or delete. And with that being said, those are the features I want to check out in Domo AI. And again, let's check out the prices as promised. So as promised, these are the prices. You can find this one on the website, so I searched it out for you guys. I separated them and I organized them. So for this one, the plan comparison, the monthly subscription cost is $10 for the basic. Annual is $95 and so on and so forth. Now for the free generation, you have basic for images 1 credit for use, upscale 1 credit, and so on and so forth. So I suggest for this one, go for the basic first, try it out, have some fun, test the waters basically if you love it. So again, the only disclaimer I can give you with this one is video to video generation takes time. I think for mine it took around 30 minutes or 20 minutes, give or take. Anyway, even though with that one it's pretty good. So that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.